What's up, guys? Adrian Amro with 911 Gadgets. It's been a long time. Check out the hair. It's getting longer. I was going to try to surprise you guys with my new long hair, but I just had to post this video. So it's not a long video. It's a quick tip on cutting off the little shields on some of the motherboards. Okay? There's different ways of doing this. There's the dremel way. There's a better dremel. It's a very tiny one that's a little bit easier to use around so you don't damage other components. And then there's another way of doing it with heat and flux and stuff like that. So in this way, in this case, I'm going to show you how to do it with the Dremel. So enjoy the video. If you have any questions or you want to learn how to do microsoldering, go to 911gadgets.com/microsoldering. Alright guys, so check it out. This motherboard, it had water damage, so I think Roger cleaned it up. But sometimes when there's a lot of little chips that are damaged, we want to check in here also, but it's hard. I had to use the Dremel carefully, like zzz, and I just shaved off a little bit of all three sides, and then I lifted it. Okay, and then now you can see down here. Well, you see how I opened it? I might do this one too just to see what's in there. But look, as you guys can see, there's more corrosion. See that? So I'm going to clean all that up, and I'm going to test and probe around with the multimeter to see where. And it's dangerous sometimes because with that Dremel, if you're not careful, you can start shaving down other chips. Like this chip could have been shaved off by accident. And then this here, it's just, yeah, you gotta be very careful. Look, I could have shaved that one down too, but I didn't. Oh, there you go. Maybe it's easy to come off. Maybe I don't have to Dremel it. There it is. So I got a nice little clear view of it. All that nastiness right there. Look at that. So we're going to clean it up. And let me go check this one out also. I believe if we heat it up hot enough, we'll be able to take it off, but we'll see. Alright, let's see if this is enough to start pulling it. It is. There's a little piece here that kind of just covers. Let me see. And this side doesn't look too bad. Not as bad as the other one. Let me see, that looks a little bit better. Yeah, this side's not that bad. I'm still gonna clean it though, but yeah, it's not as bad as the other side. And we didn't shave anything off on accident, so look at this side. That's the one that got all the damage right in this area. So this chip is heating up. I removed one of these little capacitors or filters right in there, but it's still shorting out. So I'm gonna see if this here clears out the short. Well, there you have it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I couldn't leave without showing you guys our sweater. This is made by Wendy, and you can go to WearItExpress or WearItX.com. You can put in a special order. We can make you some sweaters, some t-shirts. We're going to start putting more and more products on there. I love you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.